Chrysler Town Country 2011. Suddenly car not starting. Cannot start car. And what I found, that full pump working, but power is not coming. Power coming very weak. If you give some H7, if I connect the H7 in full pump, it's not lightning. If I measure without this light, it's coming power. And I found out that this relay is bad. And it's standing here in this fuse box in engine room. You must take out in pieces, take out all fuses, all relay, and this 4 cable. These 2 yellows is control cables, these two blue is connecting this relay contacts. I'll try to take it out this relay and I put like this. And in future I can easily change outside. So I have read as many other solutions, but I don't have those adapters or something like that to do another way. So I try to make like this way, and it must work. So if your Chrysler Town and Country is not working, or Dodge Caravan is something around from 2010, it have this sickness, this small relay. Also it have some horn, wipers, it could any blow, because it's very small relay for like these things. So I try to put this one, small one, this another one, little bigger. It's right 10 ampere relay, 12 volts, 10 amps, and must work. Now I pushed everything together. I have drilled here a hole, so here I will climb this relay. Just let it be here and finish. Now try to solder. And I solder it. The relay is outside. If it breaks after some years, see, can change in place. No need open this again. So